Pause. I know that intro was aesthetically pleasing, so let me switch it up and show you the not so aesthetic side of my skin. But obviously I'm gonna show you how to clear it, so don't you worry. Hey guys, it's Alessia. Welcome back to my channel. Another skincare video. What a surprise. If you've been following my skincare journey, you know that my skin has been breaking out for like a whole year straight because I got off birth control and it messed up my hormones pretty badly. They're still not recovered fully. And since I was taking it for acne in the first place, obviously when I got off, she decided to come back tenfold. And not only that, she decided to bring her whole damn crew. So girl, I started going ham on my face. Like my routine at one point consisted of like 12 different products that were all active just because I thought using everything at once would help to speed up the process, but no. It actually did the total opposite and it made my acne worse, so maybe I should have listened when they said less is more. Long story short, I eventually smartened up and shortened my skincare routine and my pimples all just suddenly vanished. My pimples just loved me too much that they decided to leave pieces of themselves on my face, so now I've been stuck with these dark spots. And here's the kicker, my dark spots have faded so much in just a month, only using 3 products. Y'all know numbuzin is one of my favorite Korean skincare brands, and they did it again. They just never miss. I have a whole dedicated numbuzin shelf in my bathroom because I literally have their whole discography of products. And only real ones saw the video I made when I discovered them. That video is kind of iconic though, so how could you not see it? Okay, sorry, I'm literally just yapping my ass off at this point. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up, a little hack. Right after I'm done washing my face, I gently rub an ice cube on it because it immediately reduces the redness and inflammation of any pimples that I have. And this doesn't help to fade dark spots, but I've noticed that when I do ice a pimple, it doesn't turn as dark as it usually would when it scars. I also focus it mainly in my T-zone because it helps to tighten pores and it reduces oiliness, which is what can cause pimples to form in the first place. I also don't dry my face. I kind of just let the water evaporate and then I go straight in with my toner. And step 1 is toner, specifically the No. 5+ Vitamin Boosting Essential Toner. It's kind of a mouthful. And if you're still not using toner, you're missing out because it literally boosts the rest of your skincare products. This has been my go-to toner for about a month now, a month and a half. If you're wondering why this is full, it's because I just literally finished sucking the life out of this one. This has vitamin C, niacinamide, and panthenol in it, which are literally my top 3 favorite ingredients because they clear acne and dark spots. I'm really picky when it comes to skincare, but especially toners, because most of the time they're so harsh and irritate the hell out of my skin. But then when they're calming, they're usually too watery, so they just don't hydrate my skin enough. And I don't know how to describe the consistency of this. It's unlike any toner I've ever tried. When you first put it on your hands, it's like a lightweight jelly consistency, but then when you rub it into your face, it literally disappears and becomes watery, so it feels so soothing. It's almost like when I put it on, I could feel it hydrating my skin. It feels so good. And the best way to apply toner is by tapping it in and without a cotton pad so your skin absorbs all of it, unless it's an exfoliating toner. On the days I do exfoliate, I use a glycolic acid toner because it actually helps to fade dark spots. And if you do want to use a pad to apply your toner, then use actual toner pads that are soaked in it already. You can either just rub one on your face, but little hack, putting them on your face like a face mask helps the toner to penetrate a lot more. I try to do this for like 15 minutes whenever I have the time because I've noticed it's been fading my dark spots even faster than just using the toner. And since toners boost the rest of your skincare, using it with the No. 5+ Vitamin Concentrated Serum has been working wonders. I've literally been through 3 of these hoes. And girl, not only that, but I'm stocked up. Usually I wouldn't buy products in literal bulk because they would just like sit there and expire. But since the bottle is dark and opaque, it actually helps the shelf life to last even longer. And I didn't know this, but vitamin C actually loses its effectiveness when it comes in contact with the sun. So this helps it to not lose its effectiveness before it even touches your face. Like ever since I learned that, I've just been reminiscing about my other vitamin C products, thinking about how I've just been using them for nothing because they already lost effectiveness. So yeah, I've tried a lot of vitamin C products, especially serums, but this tops everything. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was delusional for thinking that these 2 products work better together, but then I spoke to numbuzin because like we're homegirls like that. And the brand told me that there's actually a clinical test proving that these work faster together. So not only does this boost the effects of the serum, they just work better together in general. But I've been getting so many compliments ever since I started using these on how my skin got so clear, so I feel like that just fed the delusion. The delusion happened to be true, so here we are. If I had to pick between the 2, I would 100% choose the serum. It just feels so light and refreshing on my skin skin. It feels like I'm wearing nothing when I put it on. And it immediately soothes my skin. I don't know why, but it feels cold when I put it on, even when it's at room temperature. And it's also packed with powerful brightening ingredients and antioxidants to get rid of those dark spots. But it also has calming and soothing ingredients for sensitive acne prone skin, because us sensitive acne prone girls need love too. So because it's packed with all these good ingredients, it's been helping to fade my leftover dark spots because it has vitamin C, but it's also been clearing my new breakouts because it has niacinamide. She just does everything. But since vitamin C loses its effectiveness in the sun, I need SPF in the morning if I want my products to actually work. Plus the sun darkens your dark spots even more, so SPF is just necessary. So step 3 may be actually the most important part, which is SPF. Even if you don't have dark spots, you should be wearing sunscreen every day. I talk about Numbuzin's Clear Filter Sun Essence literally all the time on my channel. You guys are probably sick of it, but this SPF is my forever favorite. It's so moisturizing that sometimes I actually use it as my moisturizer and sunscreen in one. It also leaves no white cast, and it's so lightweight to the point that it literally just melts into your skin and it gives you just a little cute glow. And I can confirm that this routine is completely safe to wear under makeup. I wouldn't say it enhances it because like they're not made to do that, but it doesn't pill, and that's all I need. And I like that this routine does the work that needs to be done on my face, even underneath my makeup. Like, yeah, I'm wearing a full beat, but my dark spots are fading as we speak. I've just been keeping it simple and doing this routine morning and night. Obviously not the SPF at night, but you get it. And sometimes I'll add in another serum, toner, moisturizer, but like this is my base routine that doesn't change. And if you want to get any of the products I've been using, they're all available on Amazon and Shopee. But I'll also add everything in my Amazon storefront so you could just easily find it. And if you struggle with dark spots, acne, literally any other skin concern, just know it does not make you any less beautiful. If anything, it enhances your beauty. And I had to teach myself that because I used to get really insecure about not only my acne, but my dark spots too. I always tell myself that my dark spots, my acne, and even my oiliness is just my skin's personality shining through. So now when I'm quick to judge myself, I'm like, why would I diss my skin's personality? Like, she's perfect the way she is. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video could teach you something or help you in the future. Happy glowing, my babies. I love you.